Mbia mano sana mwanchi umuliabita sini kia Ndizi TV ne biro binde ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya eli ndengo manyie nari yabereka gokolekana kura chingongo chionsi inye chense asenchira eyobekirano unachire chitaliki emerongebere na yamu mutinyi 12 mwako iga bwechiribubere emerongebere nebere astoroche omwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu abagakora lebene amachibu ya matemo yekirasi ya 5 na 3 ase obutukiba kwa kibuna nigo amachibu ayo abakakogokero mono anene mono anigo aborokiwa baba bagweta ekarokurengani no mwaka olioita nabigo chinga kicho nigo airanilimbia mono gochia ase abalimu nabigo kubwaterana na baibolia soko eneki obokoleri obia nabigo gosokia amachibu amaya kondo mwanchumuli nigo robotirwa baborokurwego bene unanigo amachibu ya matemwa akepsea arachikobekwa ase omutanda onek omwaka ogocha chitaliki 15 nemo heliokera omworokiwa abakakwenyorera amachibu ayo nabego nigotoroche omorai wense Dr. William Ruto bakubwatera no muwaziri boburendi bw'ime Kithure Kindiki baba kweneki abuna babere bakobeka emerubiri ya bene asokweneki obokoleri obya asensemeli yoburendi nabego mwanchumulika tukuri na se county ya Kisii nigo chiskuru chegenda guchengera amachibu amaya gati yabo eskuru yoboroso yeserikali ya Kiongongi eyorokia obokoleri obya nabega se county ya Nyamira chiskuru nigo chabere chigo chengera amachibu amaya omanchumuli karansa oike elinde ngomanya senchira yobekirano kolende inyora sinsemo chiche mitandao hasensemo ya Facebook nabakotunya gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabega sensemeri ya YouTube nabakotunya gwetera Ndizi TV News hasensemo ya website nabakotunya gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eritare na Frida Kerubo na sinsemo chibero kelio nigo tokubwatanere Joshua Auta gwera nanda segekegeke elinde ngomanyi amange. Hingo chaka kegima omwanchi omulieni gongo kumanyibuna mwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu ombaki nigo litukolia lero asensemo ya mtihani house abagakoralia bene amachibu ya amatemwa yekirasi kia 5 na 3 gokwana nigo ene kibuna nigo aborkiwa bomwako yiga babere bagokolia buya asingencho omwako olioeta nigo mwana mutangani abwata magisi chiminye emerongebere na 5 na 3 ase omwako yiga omwana mutangani abwata magisi chiminya ne 37 kurende omwanchi mulienigo amoncholerio abagakwenekigwa chingaki okolengani ne miaka eyo ya maiga abarokigwa bale koraliwa bene aselitkolia rero omwaziri Ezekiel Machogu atabagakoralia amorokia omutangani goika namba 10.
The mark of the highest candidate rose 4 points from 428 in 2021 to 431 in 2022. Another positive indicator of better performance by the candidates was in the mean average performance. The data analysis showed that more than half of all the candidates who sat the examination, that is 619,583 or 50.22%, scored between 200 and 299 marks, as compared with 578,106 or 47.17% who scored between the same marks in 2021. We are therefore very impressed with the KCPE examination class of 2022 for performing very well and raising the standards of the main performance. Additionally, whereas 1,170 candidates scored between 1 and 99 marks in the 2021 KCPE examination, that number has gone down to only 724 in the year 2022 examination, despite the rise in overall candidature in the 2 years.
Nonya magigaye kalenda yechisemi guturubanirwa nigo omwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu Ombaki abagakorokia ogwisanika na machibu abakagosoka lero gukwana nigo airanirimbia mono gochia ase aboibori kubwaterana na aborokia ilyokweneki obokoreri obuya anene mono ase sector yechisemi boigo nigo airanirimbia mono gochia ase aborokiwa abo babeire bagwesugumana boigo gwetoma asokweneki banyale kwa bakonyora amachibu amaya kulinde nigo ali eira ya bene uno mwaka ogocha nigo ekalenda yechisemi era chikorongianigwa.
This reorganization of school term dates has come at a heavy cost to parents in terms of pressure to clear school fees within short intervals, teachers having heavy workloads, while runners have had to cover more content within extremely short time. I wish to particularly single out the 2022 KCP cohort, whose examination results we are releasing today. When COVID-19 hit our country in March 2020, the cohort was in Standard 6 and only resumed their classes upon the full reopening of schools in January 2021. Between January 2021 and November 2022, just 23 months, this cohort has managed to cover 3 school calendar years. This is astonishingly incredible. In fact, the cohort covered their grade 8 school calendar in just 6 months, having joined in June 2022. In between, the country went into a general election that also occasioned an unnecessarily long half-term break, besides the confusion and anxiety associated with such a national exercise. Please join me in celebrating our 2022 cohort of KCP.
Singa kiechio oboigo nigo oroboti rwabarukurwa bene ase amachibu ya matemwa akepsea ayora chikobekwa ase omutandao one kichitariki 15 nemo omutenyi omutangani omwaka ogocha oroboti ru ndo chikorokia buna obokoreri bwabeire ase aborokiwa naboigo ase sector yechisemi asokweneki obokoreri obuya asa matuko alebosio kolende ababwatani bechisemi nigo basabwa kurwa ebirengereri byabo nali baraganie achiguonchorirwa ase sector yechisemi elinde serikali enyariko bage kwimukia egetambukiro kya bene naboigo koina kinga sector yo ngokinere.
But following the recommendation of the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms and the directive by His Excellency the President on domiciling of junior secondary school, and the fact that KIPSEA will not be used for placement of learners but for monitoring learner progress, NEC will report on KIPSEA at 3 levels as follows. There will be a report on individual learners for the summative assessment. There will be a school-specific report, and there will be a national report on school-based and summative assessments. The national report will provide feedback to education stakeholders on areas that require intervention. The report will indicate the proportion of learners at each of the performance levels per subject, where perhaps we need to do some interventions. The report will be very useful to the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, the Teacher Service Commission, and the Ministry of Education as we continue with the rollout of CBC. There will be a school-specific report whose scope will be limited to the individual schools. So each school will receive a specific report that delineates the areas that learners perhaps are having challenges so that they can continue in the journey of improvement. The learners will get individual learner reports, and all these are going to be uploaded on the school portals by 16th of January 2020.
Emeremo yegeswairi na boigo egesongo nigo yarokana gokoria buya ase magega ya machibu ya matemwa yekirasi kya 5 na 3 abaga kubwatu kwali tukolia lero no mwaziri bw'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogombaki boigo ase omulimo bw'esabu science na boigo social studies nigo orokana gokoria bube gwetania emyake yo ya maiga nonya nabo nigo chiskuru chagendera gochengira amachibu amaya ase amatemwa abaga kubwatu kwali tukolia lero ime county ya Kisii. Molikeito Hamisi Josephat na mange
chingaki amachibu ya matemu yekirasi ya 5 na 3 nyara kubaga kubwatu kwa bene litukolia lero nero muwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu bono nigo yarekanire buna emeremo yegeswaili na boigo egesongo yanyara tukobaga gukora buya ase amachibu ayo ase boigo omulemo science na boigo social studies bono amachibu ayo nyara tukobaga kugwa korengana no mwaka uli nyara tukobaga gweta.
Overall, we have been impressed that 4 papers recorded an improvement in performance in the year 2022 when compared to 2021. These are English language, Kiswahili Lugha, Kiswahili Ensa, and Kenyan Sign Language. However, 6 papers, English composition, Kenya Sign Language composition, mathematics, science, social studies, and religious education recorded a drop in performance in 2022 compared with 2021.
Ime county ya Kisii amachibu ayiniganyara ko bago chengorere chiskuru gati yabo eskuru ya Matuba Education Learning Center yere ime wodi yabo baracho so mwalimu monene anyara ko bagago teba inga amachibu ayo niganyara ko bagago cha senchirengia asebo igabana bange banyara to bakonyora amagisi are amayamono
manu mutangane wa 308 wanenge babiri alafu 300 and above sawa na 18 16 wawate 300 and above babiri na wale nge below 300 ngimbabu ate 250 and above yo ase result ye nigere mbiyere kubo ya last year.
Omo director w'eskuru ejoboigo Samuel Makoli nigatebire amachibu ayo niganyara ko bagakoretwa anene kubwaterana okuya gati y'abarimu abayiboli amona abana b'eskuru eyo.
Matokeo mwaka oyo we are impressed with school as a performance yengia as ngenjo ya teamwork abarimu bagwaterana na abayiboli amona abana tukamanya kanyora matokeo aya uno mwede teacher agatebiri na gotu agwaterana mwaka uria our result yarengengia but this year it has improved greatly.
Boigo abaiboli mbabwate engwana heye
indi no mogoko monene kera abana baitire baito banka abaiboli bakuru ofisi yabo bana baito bari bakorire gasi wono togogete bagende kuchimutu basome angi bagotonyora batugurire soda
twatemete anene mono kuri time shamara ko bakubata n'abana bayiga so that toka create time mo ofisi territory baisi na address tomnyoke syllabus.
Thomas Oyole omo director Kyogoro Junior Academy nigagokeire amachibu yenyara ko baga kubwatukwa ne wizara yechisemi aseboigo ikiregeta seni geto kenyara ko begutarire skuru eyo kenyara ko bage konyora network nigo yarenga ko bage ochanda asegoikera abana bane boka konyora banyarire ko bakonyora amachibu abo
ana to bate 14 boka lakini matokeo ndoranya ronse twanyorera bananya bane boka abwaso mutanganya bwate 356 so yo tuanyo bari 324 na 302 moyo ndena ro bwate 282 actually no boka tuanyo we are still waiting for some results to atumire tubanye lakini online mbara to update our results so shortly we are going to get the full list tole ngana
Ripoti regeta seni Ndizi TV kurwe county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi.
Mbiamano sana umurikeito Hamisi Josephat asogotwariganiria oroboti oruo oroikirano kondo mwanchu muri togotigara image semeni gongo komanyibuna eskuru ya Benjenga preparatory eyogotoka sensemo ya Nyamataro ime county ya Kisii nigo yagokera amachibu amayakorengane no mwakoria oeta gukwana nigo bairira buna nigo aborokigwa 45 na babere baba bagwikaransira amatemwa a KCPE ase aborokigwa 42 babete bakonyora amagsi chimisa to gochiguru kolende boigo nigo baene kibuna nigo bero berete bene asense Amayia Junior Secondary School Murikeito Vincent Onyancha na Mange
Nase skuru ya Benjenga Preparatory ime county ya Kisii nigo muchengo bwatanse maiga yagosoka kwa matemwa KCPE maiga ya baibuli aborokigwa amana bana kubwatrana sobwamo asogo chengera matemu aseri tukoria lero.
I scored 402 marks. I would like to be an artist when I grow up. I got 376. I am very happy and I thank my teachers. I managed to score 383 marks. I take this opportunity to thank my teachers.
I managed to score 378. I thank my teachers for cooperating and my fellow pupils.
Chinga kichio abari mumbatikare maiga asomwali mumone bweskuru yatabuna nigo abari mubabwatrana sobwamo anobotene bweskuru kwane kibuna amatemwa yakrwa KCPE ngonyara bari kwikirania endoto yabo.
The school has posted an improvement compared to last year when we had a mean of 322. This year we have gone up to 351.4, which is a great improvement. And also we have been able to produce 3 candidates with 400 marks and above.
Nigo chinga kichio umumanager bweskuru atebuna egangene yeskuru enokonyara kwane kibuna kubwatana bale amone kenyoro asokonyara goeti abana bali batali kwenyara.
Asamarieta nigo nkuru ku Bernard Moseti monyenye ninchende manager seskuru ya Benjenga na ande gonde no mogoko monene sana onye ndi nama itoko bugyo mururie nari kubugi mutari ko mbugi sigaki anene tigangire libageri bene kwiranira Nyasaye ngambu ya mono okiarekere gente kiye gocha gwetera magoka Nyasaye korwa se twachage toko chake skuru 2014 as rental houses mpaka tuanyare go establish its own land skuru anyare ko bage gwetenera no bole bwaye bono anene buna bone serikali njato ete na ande njato ete the junior secondary school abana tuwakoleti barenga abana 47 asa abana aba 47 na bokoranga abana 42 igo babwata above 300 marks. Out of these 47 na bokora abana 28 babwata above 350 marks and above.
Chinga kichio ni gaba ibuli bago batatigara maiga abase bate abuna higanga yabone kone kibuna nkosira barabarimu anene abana ase skuru yega ya Ben's Preparatory School unenchire Eyemo yokunyara gukinia chisemi asorgongo rwa Gusii.
My son scored 399 marks. I'm very happy. Andinkwira Nyasaye mbiamon asubwaro batoretire Nyasaye itono muya abana baito banyare kwa bagwita mbiamon. Skuru ya tokwanyire sana no mwalimu itoro muyagu to understand buna Bible.
Okay, Asamariya tangoro kujani bonariri. Mama ke Laurin Yawate who managed to score 402 marks. Nago kiremono okay, tina expected umano inaikia marks ya but reni Nyasaye mokonyire. I thank God for that. Na nashukuru walimu wote shule mzima.
Shukuru sana kwa hii shule ya Ben. Walimu wanafanya kazi. Hao walimu wako hapa wanafanya kazi kama wanaume. Ningependa kama MC yetu anaamka ama MP amke asaidie shule.
Ekyo getigarete bono na baibuli aborokiwa ama na bana gochamo elikone kibuna chisemi nkonyara chire gusirwa ase county ya Kisii. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurose skuru ya Benjenga Preparatory imeje county ya Kisii reterane nchinkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Mbiamano sana omurikeito Vincent Onyancha ase oroboti oruo oruya. Konde togotigara emeye chisemi nigo obotukibwa bere bokorokia buna nigo chiskuru chiabanyene chiabere chigokori buya ase amatemwa yekirasi kia gatano na gatatu. Kolende litkolia rero emeye county ya Kisii ase ebungi ya kitutu chache South nigo eskuru ya serikali ya Kyong'ongi ase entunde entangani yabakegokoria buya. Okwana ase chinseme chyo nigo baende kibuna nigo omwana mutangani abakagotwara amaxi chiminye na 10 na baigo oibwo moelyo gotwara amaxi chimibere na 55 na limo na baigo eminsko yo mwako yiga nigo yaba chimisatu 25 ase omwako lya akerokole ngani nigo omwana mutangani abwate amaxi chimisatu 52 na isatu ase emini yarenge chimibere 53 na baigo na 52 oroboti oru ase nchira iyobekirano
gotora na abalimu bane na abaibuli na wanafunzi washerekea amatokeo maya sana skuru yanyu ndire itana konyole myaka menge to break the record ikiagara gesagesa max twanyora lero tana korekana omwana tubwata max 411 411 na inde mono abana bakorta mademu bali 104 411 mwana mutangani abana babwata max 350 yo bali 16 abana babwata max 300 and over wale 65.
Ningependa kuwashukuru walimu wetu kwa kazi ambayo wamefanya bila kupumzika, na ningependa kumshukuru mwalimu wetu mkuu ambaye ametia bidii sana. Ningependa kujiunga na shule ya Alliance ambayo inapatikana Nairobi. Wadhamini wote ambao wanaweza kunisaidia, naomba mnisaidie.
Mwancho muliri yango manyigwanga omurikeito Mildred Momanyi nagendete kwaligania oroboti oru gekuraga chinsa isato nakatoletere oroboti oru akonde togosika mutu asa oroboti ronde niongo kumanyibuna eskuru ya Eyemo Academy nigo yagokeire amachibu amaya ase babwate eminsko ya magisi chimi isato ne 59 ase gwetania omwako ori babwate eminsko ya magisi chimi isato 53 na isano nemo kulinde gukwana na borokigwa kurwa ase eskuru eyo nigo baba bakoerera obokoreri obuya nabigo kubwaterana kwabo nabalimu nabigo abaibuli asokweneki amachibu amaya.
Austin Nyanga from Eyemo Academy and had 408, but I was expecting 420 and above. I learned and I did my questions which I never understood, and I asked my teachers questions and always pray to God. Yeah, my parents always urged me to do the best, to be active in school, and always wanted to work hard to have a better future.
I'm Michelle Mora from Eyemo Academy. My marks was 394. We tried, but our mean was good, which was 390.
Yes.
All in all, we tried, we put God first, we strived for what we wanted, and we got it.
My name is Gertrude Osebe Oeri. I'm the mother to Austin Nyanga and Michelle Mora. The results came out today, KCPE 2022. I'm very happy with the outcome of the children. One scored 408 marks, he topped in Eyemo Academy. The other one got 394. And we are happy with the outcome. I would have even wished my children would be found in the CBC. And to me, CBC is a good curriculum which should be embraced by our system. And if it is well facilitated and well organized, we are going to produce very good results from these learners.
Kecho boigo eskuru ya Sunlight nigo yagokera amachibu amaya ase omorokiwa omutangani abwate amagisi chiminye na 12 okwana no director w'eskuru yo nigo abagakwiranirimbi amono gochia ase ababwatani bonsi anemono ase abaiboli na boigo aborokia asoko eneki omokia na boigo kubasira lindako eneki amachibu amaya kumbe kolende nigo abagako eneki buna nigo mwaka ogo chabero belite bene asoko eneki obakoreri obuya ase eskuru yo
ono mutangani gwe eskuru ya Sunlight iganyora magisi 412 chiminye na 12 alafu mwana bwo mwelio nindoro yo monyole dense ya amagisi 350 no yo mubwate 347 kati eskuru chia banyene chia kolire buya Sunlight na yamo yabo yakolire buya aso mwaka oyo igonta tekwiraniria baiboli biamono abana bali bakorete buya sengencho gotwa matoke aya biamono abalimu biamono.
I'm the top pupil with 412 marks. I feel so happy for scoring those marks. I thank my God for bringing me this far. Namshukuru mwalimu wangu mkuu kwa kuwa nasi, amekuwa akituchunga, akituongelesha na kutupa mawaidha mbalimbali. Walimu na wazazi wote na washukuru pia kwa kuwa wameweza kuwa pamoja nasi.
Waigo goika county ya Nyamira nigo eskuru ya St Andrews Kagwa yabake gochengera omwana omutangani ase atwara amagisi chiminye na 15 gokwana no morokigwa oyo Melen kwamboka nigaira nilimbia mono gochia ase aborokia na bego kubwatira na baiboli ase akoneki obakoreri obuya imeye eskuru yo kolende nigo agania aborokiwa gotwara chimbwa chindonge na bego komenta omokia ase akoneki amachibu amaya.
Naitwa Melen Kwamboka Mwasi, nilipata alama ya 415. Ninatarajia kujiunga na shule ya Kenya High. Na washukuru walimu wangu na wazazi wangu kwa kunisupport hadi umbali huu. Pia namshukuru Mungu na nikiwa mkubwa ningependa kuwa optician. All thanks is to my teachers, my parents, and most especially God. I congratulate all my fellow candidates who have scored the marks that they expected, and to all who did not score the marks that they expected, to just remain positive, because this is not the end of education. Thank you.
Namshukuru Mungu, nashukuru walimu kwa ile kazi wamefanya. Kwa leo sina mengi ya kusema ila tu ni kushukuru wote na tunatarajia kuwa tutaendelea kufanya vyema.
Mwanzo muligereria boigo eskuru ya Eronge ime county ya Nyamira boigo nigo ya chengera obokoreri obuya ase baba bakwiranirimbi mono gochia ase bali babere bakobweterana asokweneki ebuna amachibu amaya abereka gosoka ase omwako yiga kondo mwanchi muliani nganetiko kumanyibuna omwana sagini oyo bakagokorerwa goseka gokonorwa amaiso asinse mochirichia marani nigo bono ba report bakweneki kinga tarabaga kubwatu kwa kurwa ase children's home ase ogochkwena na gochia ase Mike Songo elinde kwenyorera obugwenia kolende umuriketo Vincent Onyancha nagendete kubwatiria oriboturu kono monche murigiria goikira buno ngokolera omoelio bwamangana maya ase birebiga kolende ichikoraga chinsa isato ayona mange ningo yaletera sinchira iyo wikirino nyora sinsa machiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonya gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonya gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke magechi kamera soko ne kibna ebicha na bayiga maliogi awikera sora senchira ya bene na repetronira mukira tobeto kubatenere Joshua Auta asensemo chibiorokeryo na ncheria na Frida